Wait, first we're driving to the birthday party, right? Where are you girls going?
To the birthday party.
Whose birthday is it?
Grandview's.
Is it your birthday, Shay? Yeah. Okay. It's Grandrew's birthday, too. A very important birthday. Are we there yet?
Yeah.
Thanks for driving. Okay, let's go sing happy birthday. Come on. Oh, look, there's a candle and the ice cream special for Grandrew's birthday. Are you ready? Let's sing. Let's sing. We're not blowing yet. We got to sing happy birthday. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandrew. Happy birthday to you. All right. Yay. Explode out. All right. Look at the camera and say happy birthday, Grandrew.
Happy birthday, Grandrew. Now can we sing
Shay,
the
let me
song?
see you. Say happy birthday.
Can we sing happy
Shay, let me
birthday?
see you. Look at me.
Can we sing?
Shay, look at me.
Can we sing
Say happy
it?
birthday, Grandrew.
Happy birthday. Now let's sing it. Happy birthday.
Put your heads together so I can see you in the camera. Put your head together.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Go ahead.
Happy birthday to you.
Do you have anything else you want to say to Grandrew?
Happy birthday, everyone. And we love you. Me too, we love you. Oh, that is not nice, Shay. Why don't you say something else besides totally love you? I too love you.